Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer r and c and the matrix and the integer k as our inputs, and in the matrix the program must modify the submatrix of size k into k diagonally, and in each submatrix all the ones must be replaced with the uppercase alphabet and the zeros with the lowercase alphabets in a circular way, and we have to print the modified matrix as our output. So we'll take our test case. So in this test case, this is our inputs. It is number of rows is 9 and number of columns is 9, and then the integer k is 3. So we have to get all submatrices with the size of 3 cross 3. So let us understand what is a 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix. So we have 0 0 0. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix in which we are going to place the alphabets in a diagonal way. That is, here we have A and here it is B, and diagonally here it is C, and then here it is D, E, F, G, H and I. So this is the 3 cross 3 diagonal submatrix. So for a 9 cross 9 diagonal submatrix, we have to place the alphabets. So it will be like this top 3 cross 3 submatrix will be full of D, and below that we have B, that is the below 3 cross 3 submatrix, and the least 3 cross 3 submatrix is A. So likewise we have for all the alphabets. So let us start changing it, and at last the ones will be in capital and zeros will be in smaller case. So as you can see, this is a 3 cross 3 submatrix consisting of only A, and then we have B, and then we have C, and then diagonally we go for D, so now we have replaced with alphabets, and now all ones must be replaced with uppercase alphabet and zeros will be replaced with lowercase alphabets. So for that we have 1 here, so it will be replaced. So here also there are ones, as you can see, and we have ones here, so these will be replaced as capitals, and then here it is capital, and then here also it is capital, and then we can see that in the third row we have 5 ones, and then at the last we have 2 ones. So we'll replace it with the capital letters. So by doing it for all the rows, we'll get our output like this. Now let us understand the logic of this program. First we'll get the number of rows and columns as the input, and then we'll get the matrix as the input, and then after getting the matrix we'll get the integer k as the input, and then for the alphabet, so in order to determine the alphabet, so we are going to use the ASCII values. So ASCII value of A is 96, so we'll start from 96 plus R double slash K into C double slash K, which will give us the submatrix. So and then we have a mod 26, so this will give us the alphabets. So for example, if we have k is equal to 3, then we have alphabets up to I. So after this, we have to perform our iterations. That is, first we'll iterate from the CTR value, that is, so here it is, we have to fill the submatrix up to 0, and then for the iterations, the CTR for, so CTR value will be iterated from C double slash K to R double slash K, and after iterating over, then we have again another iteration, that is from row R minus 1 to minus 1, and then after this we have reverse order, and so minus 1 will represent the reverse order, and the step value will be minus 1. So after this we have the column equal to C minus 1 to minus 1. Same way here also it represents the reverse order, and after this we have row double slash K minus column double slash K equal to CTR. Then after that we have, so if this condition satisfy, that is, and the matrix will be row of column and is equal to 1, then we have to change, that is replace the alphabet with the uppercase of alphabet. So if it is 1 means, then we are going to replace with uppercase, and else we are going to replace with lowercase. And after replacing with the alphabets, so 0 means it will be in lowercase, and after that the alphabet, that is, we have to fill the submatrix with 1, So we'll increment the filled submatrix with 1, and then x mod, that is the filled submatrix, will be divided by the k into k. If it is equal to 0, then we will decrement the alphabet by 1, and after this the alphabet is equal to 96, which represents A. So if alphabet is equal to 96, it is equal to 122. So after modifying our matrix, we'll print. So for row in matrix, we must print row.